A day in the life polar animals, Arctic fox. What is an Arctic fox? An Arctic fox is a mammal that lives in snowy areas. All mammals have some hair on their bodies and feed their babies milk. Arctic foxes are about the size of small dogs. The color of their fur helps them blend in and hide. What do Arctic foxes look like? In the fall and winter, Arctic foxes have thick white fur. Their fur matches the color of the snow and keeps them warm. In the spring and summer, Arctic foxes have gray or brown fur. Arctic foxes also have a bushy tail and furry feet. Where do Arctic foxes live? Arctic foxes live in a part of the world called the Arctic. In the Arctic, it is light all day and all night for part of the summer. In the Arctic, it is dark all day and all night for part of the winter. The Arctic is one of the coldest and windiest places on Earth. What do Arctic foxes do at night? Arctic foxes are nocturnal. This means they are usually more active at night. Arctic foxes often spend part of the night hunting for food. They have an excellent sense of smell that helps them to hunt in the dark. What do Arctic foxes eat? Arctic foxes mainly eat lemmings. They also hunt voles, hares, and nesting birds. Arctic foxes sometimes look for scraps left over by larger animals, such as polar bears. Many dig holes in the ground where they bury food to eat later. What do hunts Arctic foxes? Polar bears and wolves hunt Arctic foxes. Other types of foxes also attack and kill them. People hunt Arctic foxes for their thick fur. Arctic foxes sometimes escape their enemies by blending in with their surroundings. Do Arctic foxes live in groups? Arctic foxes live alone from late fall to early spring. They spend time in family groups for the rest of the year. A group of Arctic foxes is called a skulk or a leash. These groups are usually made up of 2 or 3 adults and 3 to 12 babies. What do Arctic foxes do in the day? Arctic foxes are usually less active during the day. They spend some of this time resting. Arctic foxes go hunting when the animals they want to eat are awake. If those animals are awake in the day, then Arctic foxes sometimes hunt during the day. What are baby Arctic foxes like? Baby Arctic foxes are called kits or pups, and they are born inside dens. Baby foxes look like small versions of their parents. Kits start hunting when they are about 14 weeks old. They soon learn how to survive outside the den in the frosty Arctic. The end.